All right, what up, people? Oh shoot, there's no video. Let me fix the video so you guys can actually see me. Where are we? You can hear me, but you can't see me. This is what we're gonna start doing from now on. Secret hidden face YouTube streams and give some banger signals. All right, let's get this fired up here. Are we on? Oh, we're on. Look at that. Maybe a bit too zoomed in. You don't want to see my face that damn close. All right, there we go. YouTube fam, welcome back to the live stream. Hope you guys are doing well. Good to be back on. Good to be back on. All right, let me just sort this for a second. I've got too many cameras going on here. Gold's having a little retracement here. We're not missing anything just yet, so that's why I was just waiting for this gold to shape up a little bit. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Where are you from, guys? Yeah, I'd be interested to know where everyone's from. You guys on YouTube, post in the chat where everyone's from. Be good to see if we have people from all over the world. We got 37 people tuning in, first time here. From you had visited. Looking forward to this. Cool, man. Good to have you in. I will get started in a second. Straight vodka, Brian. We're starting the day straight vodka. Absolutely, man. Beautiful. Alright, let me just make sure the before we jump straight in, I'll let the Zoom guys. Let me just listen back to the the YouTube, sorry, because it was funny on Friday. But let me just have a quick listen. The YouTube, sorry, because it was funny on Friday. Yeah, it looks pretty good to me. It's pretty good. If the YouTube stream breaks up, you guys just feel free just to post in the comments. But it should be all good today. We should be all good. I seem to have it fixed, whatever it was. All right, let's let the guys in on Zoom. Let's do it, and then we'll jump in. You guys drop a little like for the stream. We're going to break down a little bit of top down, plan out the week on gold, and look to have an amazing week. Let's go. Let's do it. What the hell? All right. Good morning, Zoom guys. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. 2 seconds, guys. It says that I ran out of space on my PC, so I can't record the Zoom, but that is a lie. 2 seconds. Choose another location to record Zoom. Okay, cool. Alright, let me see if I can record now. No. Man. 2 seconds, guys. 2 seconds. Choose new location. Yes, please. Alright, let me see. Zoom. Choose. Go into the hard drive. Record.
Recording in progress.
Boom. Beautiful. All right. Welcome back, Zoom guys. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome back. Let me get everyone in here.
What?
Cade's here. Whoa.
Once in a while.
Welcome in, Cade, everyone, guys. He's the newest member here.
Great to be here.
Good to have you on, man.
Holy. Blasting fast. Fuck me.
Alright, let's get everyone in. Who else is joining?
So I go through these ebbs and flows, hey? I come in, I leave, I don't come back on for months. Come back in.
Cade makes his bank and then dips. we mention you every day whilst you're not here, though. Don't worry.
Yeah, no, absolutely.
Every single session we go, is Cade gonna come today? It's always like a little game of if Cade's gonna show up or not.
Well, here I am. You shall receive.
All right, I think everyone's almost done. Let me just have a quick look at the news today. See what we got going on. Gold's having a little intraday push up here, which is all good. What we got today? Nothing today. PMI on Tuesday for the US dollar. It's non-farm payroll week. So you got NFP employment changes on Wednesday, unemployment claims on Friday, and non-farm payroll on Friday as well. And you got the Fed speaking on Thursday as well. So from pretty much Tuesday onwards, you're going to see the main moves on gold. Let me just play this on my phone. So we should be in for a good week. Obviously, gold's had a absolutely insane move, insane move last week, where we saw like I won't go over it too much because you guys have already seen it, but very briefly, we've seen probably one of the strongest closes on gold that we've seen since back in November time last year. Even how big was this close in November? This was a 700 tick close in November, and then from high to low of last week, about 640 tick move on gold, which is absolutely incredible. So I'm going to clean up these levels now. We need our next level, which is going to be 2,100 that we're going to be tapping into next, and then above that, which I don't think we've ever tapped into before. So 2150 on gold. Yeah, we're getting very, very close to it. So what are we in? We're 4 days into this new month. So let's just have a quick look at that monthly close on gold. See how February closed and see what we can expect coming into this month as well. So the nice thing about last month is we kind of did what we said we would do back in January, where if you were going to see this push up on gold, you were always going to come down and liquidate some of these monthly lows before this push back up. So February's come down, grabbed January's low, respected this massive level of support, and now you're starting to see this push up higher. So given that this is 4 days in, this is a pretty strong push up on this monthly. I'll be interested to see how this monthly close. As it stands right now, I don't have any monthly liquidity levels other than the fact that you may come up and fill in the wick of that spike into all-time highs back in December. On the weekly on gold, let's just have a quick look here. Oh, my chart frozen. Let me just move the chat over there. On this weekly time frame on gold, obviously this is that support we've been reacting off. We grabbed January's low, we failed to close below the support, retested again last week, and now we're having this push back up. And we've broken back above 2050. Last time we broke back above 2050 was in December, and we could never hold above it longer than like 1 month. And that was the first time that we ever held above 2050 for more than 1 week. Last time we closed above 2050, straight back down. And that was the first time ever. And this is probably, it definitely is the strongest weekly close above 2050 that we've ever seen in the history of gold. So it's pretty important, we're coming close to them all-time highs again. You had this little trend line coming on down here. We've broken out massively of that. Kind of creating a little double top here. Actually, you got a weekly double top that's being left up here, and you're pretty much this week. Ideally, you want to see if gold can come down and give you that bottom wick before grabbing the highs, because that would give you, same as last week, a nice area to keep buying gold. Obviously, gold's very, very strong, but that doesn't mean you can't take intraday sells, because you're at major, like pretty much all-time high level of resistances. So even if gold's gonna see the next push up into like where is this 2150, you're very likely going to bottom wick first before seeing that push. So even that bottom wick alone can give you like 100 plus ticks, which is very, very nice. So I'm going to get rid of these downside levels. I don't care about these anymore. I'll keep the 250 on there, but I don't care about 2000 anymore. I'm only interested in, let's get rid of this one as well actually. We're only interested in 2100 and 2050, but I'd be very, very surprised to see gold come down that much. So that's all there is to really say on the weekly. You have a weekly double top. Previous week closed bullish. You've closed above this massive level of resistance for the first time ever. And next target on gold is going to be 2,100 this week. So take a look at the daily here. This is obviously the insane push we saw on Friday. An absolutely incredible push. Any of you guys who were on the stream last week, we were talking about these gold buys since back here on Monday. Came down, grabbed the lows, had like 1, 2, 3 highs here. Retail traps go short, put their stop loss above there. They even probably try and short here again. And you see this aggressive push up. So daily resistance that I'm interested in right now, I would say is probably around here. Asia's kind of pushed up, pushed back down. So Asia hasn't really done anything so far. Looking at this 4-hour time frame on gold, you can see we created this very nice little evening star here. Rejected once, re-grabbed the highs, closed bearish, retested and pushed lower. And now you're coming up to grab previous 4-hour highs. So you've just left a very nice 4-hour double bottom down here as well, which is going to be a nice level to target from where you're currently sitting on gold. To see that push back down into there is like 50 plus ticks. Amazing. Because it's so overextended, it's so hard to draw like anything down below. But, you know, even if gold, you know, probably not today, but to come back down and, you know, retest these levels down here at some point over the next like week, 2 weeks is like a 270 tick push, which is absolutely insane. Good morning, man. From Oz, looking to get into stocks. Who's the best broker? I legally, unfortunately, cannot recommend brokers, unfortunately, man. I don't trade stocks anyway, though. I unfortunately can't recommend any brokers. But yeah, that's gold. Hourly's opened up, pushing previous hourly highs. No bottom wick on this current hourly. And it looks like you have a lot of lows to come down and grab down here on gold. Down here. So, any signs of rejection here, we could be looking for a potential little 50-ish tick scalp back down into these levels. And this is what I had in Asia. I was actually trying to see if I could get the buys up into these highs here, but the fact you never grabbed these lows, I wasn't able to take it. And you can kind of see you also had a, let me just, where's that? I've just messed up the charts. What have I just done there? That doesn't matter, it looks fine. You can also see on gold here, let me just get rid of this, I got that on the other chart. You had this little trend line coming down here. So if we imagine any retail trader who was trying to short gold here, trying to short these rejections, is probably stuck in something, you know, like this, just getting squeezed out, or, you know, their stop loss is probably just going to be above this high. So I reckon a lot of retailers are probably either stuck in shorts or getting squeezed out of shorts. So if they have their stop loss above this previous high, where they've just been stopped out. You see these rejections, lovely rejection again. Try jump in shorts without having a liquidity grab, you get stopped out. So nice initial push here on gold. That was my first level of interest, and you can kind of see you do have a little double top here as well. So I will be watching that high, but given this 4-hour is grabbing that previous 4-hour high with no bottom wick on this hourly, anywhere in this area is kind of interesting to me on gold. Anywhere is interesting. You know, the only time I'll start looking for some longs on gold is if you start closing like maybe, you know, aggressive back above this level. Then you've got that double top sitting just above here, which is like, you know, 25 ticks away as well, which is still very, very nice. And this is a current, what's this? What's this current range on gold? It's like an 83 tick range. Obviously, given gold's like, you know, had this absolute phenomenal move last week. These are the buys that we took. Absolute phenomenal moves last week. You're expected to kind of create space and range quite a lot. But the thing is, from here to here, this is a very decent range of, like, you know, like I say, 70 to 80 ticks, which is amazing. You know, we can trade that, which is great. So I kind of sometimes get my nicest moves on gold when you're in these overall ranges. This is the daily support level down here as well. So this is somewhere to be wary of. Got 20 ticks to that high. Good job, Ash. Very nice, man. Very, very nice. Very nice. Yeah, I wanted the buys as well. I just wanted to see if we could just come down, just maybe wick some lows and see that push. But it looked like, you know, just bouncing off here was was probably already quite enough. But yeah, absolutely phenomenal move on gold last week. I wish I still had some runners. Bloody well don't. It was great. I didn't trade Friday at all because you had such a big move on Thursday that I was like, I'm just pretty much going to take the day off. But you then did end up having just some very, very simple continuation moves. Like, breaking above all this level, bottom wick, just continuing this just absolutely incredible move. Probably one of the nicest trending weeks I've seen on gold in a very, very long time. We were in this range here since what? Pretty much in this range since like maybe back in mid-December. You've been in this overall huge range here. You finally have these little grabs, and these amazing breakouts. Okay, Aaron, don't forget to turn on Zoom record and aircon. Both are already on it, man. Both already on it. Too late to the party. Let's get rid of this. But yeah, like even if you take a massive fib on like this, it's probably not going to beat the high. You may spike out this a little bit more, but even eventually come down and retrace like 50% of this whole move, from anywhere around here. It's like a 200 tick correction, which would be very nice. Exactly the same as when you had that big drop off NFP here. It's like even if you see these huge sell-offs, you're still going to eventually over the next like couple of days still retrace like 200 ticks before going lower, or in this case continuing that push back up. Was that the NFP move? No, that wasn't the NFP. It was the NFP move. This was the NFP move. And these were our NFP liquidity highs as well, which all got absolutely rinsed last week. Absolutely. Is this the new home? The layout looks different. Yeah, it is. It is. We're in the new trade station. I'll do a house tour in Sunday's video, not the one just gone in next Sundays. Just had my guy finish editing that, so I'll upload that on Sunday. I guess I've got loads of New Zealand travel vlogs to edit as well. Gold keep pushing higher. Yeah, for now it will keep pushing higher. I'm waiting to see how you react around this level here. There's so many lows down here to come and grab. I mean, and just an overall correction would be nice, but yeah, that is risky because you're so bullish overall. So any shorts will just be little scalps. But the fact you're now coming this close to this high here, you're probably going to spike it out, which could give us longs as well. Could give us some nice longs. Same as Nasdaq as well. Anyone who tried to call the tops on Nas just kept on pushing. I see so many people trying to call the tops on Nas, trying to fight the markets all the time, like I explained in yesterday's video, and you just keep pushing and pushing and pushing. And there was amazing opportunities. I don't really trade it, but there was amazing opportunities to trade these breakouts here. Look at that. Breakout, bottom weight, push higher. Some insane moves. Absolutely insane moves. Brizzy, Australia. Nice, man. Nice. Do you trade Asia live? Nah, I did the Asian sessions last year. And maybe once the time zones switch, I'll maybe start doing some again, like maybe two a week or something like that. I personally trade Asia myself, but I mainly trade off like the 30-minute. I don't sit here and watch like every 5-minute candle closure, and I found my best trades in Asia. I've had some amazing trades in Asia. We're kind of off like the 15 and 30 and just letting them do their thing. But once the clocks change, which I believe is at the end of March, I will consider doing some Asian streams again at some point, absolutely. As long as people obviously want to see them, then I'll look to do some Asian sessions. The view shortcut used to switch back and forth of chart layouts. Do you mean like this? If it's this, man, you just use I use the tab on Mac. Went short of that 1 hour close, 6 a.m. chasing the lows. Stopped at which one, man? Which one? Around here. This one, man. I was also looking to short it as well, man. Or this one maybe. I was looking to short it as well. I was just waiting to see what you would do around these highs. Then once you close this bullish, yeah, I didn't want to take any shorts. More people joining the Zoom. Maybe let everyone in here. Catching 58 to 74. Thanks to my wife. If not, I would only go to 60. Nice. I love Asia with gold.
Mondays, LFG.
The boys are here.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Brett and I just caught that banger on gold.
Whoa. Is that little insider signals without us?
Oh shit, the message didn't send in the Discord. Sorry, bro.
Where did you get it from? Like down here?
I caught it on... Oh, it's a bit echoey. Caught it on the 15th flip. Coming into the alley.
Yeah, nice. That's like, it's really like 30. It's really like 30 ticks.
Yeah. Because I was looking at my first took a trade on Topstep X.
Nice.
And I was looking at that tilt, and I saw like literally 70% of people were shorting from that level, and it hadn't grabbed those highs to the left there. I'm like, these are gonna get absolutely ripped here.
Really nice. I always forget to look at that tilt. I'm gonna pop it up now. Let me get it.
There's literally, actually, I'll see if I can send. Sorry to take over.
Nah, go on. No, I'll just make you the host if you want, man.
I'll show you. I'll send in a chart for you guys just to see what I was looking at. I pretty much took this.
Let's have a look, man. Let's have a look. Where's tilt here? Where is it?
It's
tilt.
down the bottom, but I found that so interesting, being like 70% of people are shorting.
Yeah.
From where I'm looking to buy.
Yeah, I like that, man. I'd love to. It'd be good to keep track of it and see how accurate it becomes. I think it's very interesting.
Let me send it in the chat.
You
This is what I caught.
Cool, buys up into
Pretty
here.
much.
20 ticks up into
I
there.
looked on.
Let's have a look. Let me have a look, man.
And literally, my entry was where 70% were shorting me from.
Yeah, it's beautiful, man. You had like a
I
15
had the
triple
graph,
top.
I was gonna get ripped.
Yeah, you had.
And there was a bit of a
literally
trend line.
1, 2, 3.
Trend line there too.
You had like this. Yeah. Like that. Yeah, it's beautiful,
pretty
man.
much.
Yeah, I like that, man. Beautiful. Yeah, it'll be interesting to keep an eye on this tilt. So what's it now? What's it saying? So still saying 63% of people are short. What's it on everything else? Crude oil 67% long. Nas 50-50, S&P 50-50 pretty much.
Interesting confluence of what we trade into is what other people are, the opposite of what other people are doing.
Yeah.
The highs to grab, and everyone's shorting into a trend line, into highs that hadn't been grabbed, into daily highs that could potentially be grabbed. I was like, it's worth a crack.
100%, man. It was like I was looking at this.
Out of the range.
This was like your typical retail trap area, like risking off like this high or this high. Which is, yeah, very, very, very nice buy, man. Very nice.
Anyway, I'm shut up now.
That's all good, man. Great trade. Very nice trade. Gold long target 290. 290. Yeah, possibly. Well, I'd be watching last week's high as well. See how you kind of react around here. You have a lot of lows to come and grab, but yeah, I'm kind of watching to see how we react around this high. If we start like liquidating this high and closing back below, I may look to take it down. If we leave this double top here, we can kind of get back down here. Then amazing, I'll buy it back up as well. Because you're leaving a double top here, so any rejections from this level is what you'd want to see, because this will probably entice people to try and jump in shorts like this. And if we can get an opportunity where it's worthwhile, which would be like maybe below previous 15 lows, you may, Yeah, you get like 30 ticks. Yeah, it's amazing, amazing, amazing. Assume gold will retest all highs again. Yeah, I think that'd be a pretty safe assumption, to be honest. I don't think it'll be this week though. I mean, you got NFP, so I guess fucking anything can happen. But I'll be surprised to see it come for the all-time high so quick. I mean, it's very bullish, so who knows? Let me. How do I share this? Yeah, there's the Topstep X platform that Mark was just talking about, and this is their new indicator tilt, which kind of tells you what most people who are trading on Topstep are doing. So on gold right now, and this is how Mark in Discord got the buys up on gold, is looking at this tilt indicator and seeing that I think it was higher at the time, like 70% of people were short on gold. So then you can look for buys up into that. Same as on crude oil right now, and we'll have a quick look at oil. 61% of people are long on oil. So if most people are long on oil, you could look for an opportunity to trade against that. Yeah, I can't show it here, unfortunately. I don't know why. I'm showing it on the streaming software, but I can't share both on Zoom, annoyingly, man. But I can send a screenshot if anyone wants to have a little look. Let's have a quick look at this. A quick look at oil. So let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. So most people are long on oil. Let's see what we got going on here on oil. For you guys who actually trade GJ, I had a brief look this morning. I was just having a little scan through. I think GJ could give you some nice. I should have taken that. Drew that up. Did not take that.
Must be not.
I should have taken that. I think I personally don't trade it anymore, but I think GJ. Oh wow! Look at this. This is from wherever we last looked at GJ. Let me clean these levels up. Look at all these that got grabbed. Look at this. Beautiful. GJ continuation sells this week into these week lows. Looks pretty nice to me. Anyone who does trade GJ, looking at this daily double bottom, maybe come and grab. We grab Friday's high, from anywhere around here to re-grab these lows is like 150 tick push. Just something I just had a quick little scan over, but I personally don't trade it. Oil. So if majority of people are long on oil, could you look for some scalps back down? I don't really see any clean levels right now. You got a little level there. You come up, grab the highs. I don't think oil's that clean just yet. I think oil's ever clean, to be honest, but let me get rid of that.
Can I interrupt for a sec?
Yeah, of course you can. Knock me yourself out.
I just on the tilt, just because I'm figuring out this Topstep X, which seems cool. On the tilt, it's got long percentage is 31%, but the percentage of people that are positive dollar-wise is 66%, whereas 70% that are short one is like 34% that are negative, that's interesting.
Oh.
The minority that are long are more dollar positive than the rest. I only just saw that.
Positive percent. Oh yeah, nice. Yeah, nice. Percent top traders who are down dollar amount. 62% are down. Ah, nice. Yeah, so the average short price on gold right now, if anyone's short on gold on the futures, is around 92.24. So let's just have a look at this here. So average shorts are in from 92.25. I'd like to see how well this updates. So people are short from 92.25. Yeah, around that previous hourly high, yeah. So most people are short from around there. Yeah, I think you're going to see gold on the futures chart here spike out to 2095 and tap into like 96 one more time, I think. I wish this would have pulled down a little bit more to give us the entry. Yeah, that's interesting, yeah. Percent of top step people who are up. Interesting. I'd like to know like the amount of like people who are actually like trading gold or trading NAS, because every single like futures and top step trader I see, like they all trade just NAS, S&P and oil. I haven't found any other people who trade gold futures. I haven't seen any any people who really trade the gold futures. So it'd be interesting to see how many like people that's based off. I know a guy. Can we assume is new Topstep X available now? As I'm looking to take the challenge shortly. It is. It is. I'm still testing it personally. I would go for Tradeovate for now to be safe. Maybe if it's your first time jumping on Topstep, but I'm going to continue to test the Topstep X platform and kind of let you guys know how we go. So far, it's good. I'll try and, if I can open just like a smaller account, I'll try and take a small trade just to show you guys what the actual Topstep X platform is like, because it's much easier for people who are new to futures to get the hang of it, because you can kind of drag and drop like stop loss and TPs pretty easy. I ain't gonna trade 13 contracts, that's for sure. I'll trade like one on like a micro or something, just so you guys can see what it's like. Can I trade micro gold here? I don't think I can. I think I can trade micro gold on. Well, I'll put in a. Let me put in a. As I have 3 free space. Oh, I don't know, Ross. Maybe you could try it, man. Yeah, Brian, I believe it's still beta. Yeah, I believe so. Let me put in a limit order so you guys can see what it's like. If you guys on Zoom want to watch, you can just flick onto YouTube and have a quick look at it. I unfortunately can't share it here. 91.53. So let's see if we were to put an order at 91.53. Ah, bollocks. 2091.53. So if we put a limit order there, we'll put a buy limit order. So you see it comes up, place in there, place now. Once you have, like, even if this was a real position, you can just drag it. Oh, I think this is just going to drag the order though, isn't it? It drags the order. Well, that drags the order so you can set it to wherever you want. But when this is an actual live position, if we were in buys from here, you would literally drag this, drop it there, and it would put in your stop loss there as well. And if this was your order, you would drag it to the highs, and it would put in your TP automatically as well, so you don't have to do anything manually.
I'm not sure you've shared the screen on YouTube.
Oh, really? Oh, you're so right. Thank you, Ron. Sorry, man. Let me do it again. Let me do it all over again. Cheers, Ron. So if you're using the Topstep X platform here, when you want to put in a position, like I'll just put in just a pretend limit order at 91.5. If I just click buy, it will say placing, place. That's as quick as the order goes in, and this is trading view charts as well. So it's like all the analysis that we do on these other screens. And wherever you drag this, that'll be where your order will be. So if you literally just want to put it below the low, you can leave it there and it will go in. And when this is an actual order, so say if this was an actual buy market order that was in right now, we're in buys from here. If you wanted to put in a stop loss, all you do is you literally just drag this down and it puts in your stop loss for you as well. And if you want to put in a TP, say your buys from here, you just drag it up and it will automatically put in your TP as well. So rather than doing the orders manually, if you hit TP, then it will delete the stop loss order, so you don't have to worry about any extra orders being in the markets as well. So in terms of like moving to futures, it's a pretty decent platform to get the hang of it, I think. I'm going to keep testing it though. Like I say, I want to keep playing around with it a little bit more. But so far, it's very, very clean. Like this is just the exact same stuff you get on TradingView. You can still share. You can share your charts in here. You can change the instruments here. You can change the order type. So I usually do market type, change the amount of contracts you want to do. Buy, sell, close, reverse, cancel all orders, flatten everything, cancel all. So yeah, thought I was lacking that behind, yeah. And you can kind of customize this as well. You can put in anything you want. Put in all. You can watch Topstep TV when they're live in the New York sessions. Your trades, your positions, accounts, the DOM, tilt, which is what we're just kind of playing around with an how do I get rid of that? Oh wait, down here. So tilt's something I'm gonna keep an eye on a little bit more.
Yeah, on the Topstep X, I've got like custom like setups. Can you still add the exact same ones I've got from Trading View? You have to set them up again.
I think you have to set it like the color wise and stuff.
So I have like invite only scripts. You know, if you click on the little FX button, all the technicals and.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not sure, man. I'm not sure.
I'm with it.
It should be the exact same way as TradingView, because everything like in this bit's the same.
Okay.
I like it though. It is really clean. It is very clean. Forex Trader Saw, this is new to me. Yeah, nice. Yeah, well, if you want to have a play around with that, you know, maybe just open up a practice account. Remember, you can do practice accounts on Topstep as well. You don't have to just jump into a challenge. If you just want to do a practice, get used to trading futures, setting in the orders and stuff like that. It's good. You'll pick it up at first. Obviously, it's going to be a little bit weird, but you know you'll pick it up first. If we get an opportunity today, I will take a trade on the platform and show you guys. I think most people are coming from the FX background, so to make it as easy as you can. I love Tradeovate. I think Tradeovate is also super easy. But you know, if you like TradingView charts and you want to execute in the same place, Topstep X is probably the place for it. Hey Anthony, what's going on, man? What if middle of the night was like sell something, close off TP? Oh yeah, that's annoying, man. Yeah, I do that because I do that as well, man. I do all my orders manually. So yeah, I always make sure I have everything closed. It's so easy to do, man. I would be lying if I said I hadn't done that before. Contract rollover thing stresses me out. It's pretty easy. You know, if you ever want to check like what instrument, what contract you're on, you know, we just type in Google and just type in like gold CME, and then just go on the first one. It'll tell you what contract you're in, and you can literally do that for anything. If you want to check like current oil contracts, just type in CL CME, and it will tell you exactly which one to have it in. And you'll know when it's time to roll it over because the charts will look crazy, and you'll be able to see the volume as well. You can type in, like
a little morning star forming on the 15 potentially.
Yeah, I've seen that, man. It's quite nice. I just really want to see it grab them highs. These highs up here, because I do want to short this down here, but I would love to see us grab these highs. I want to take a little test position on this Topstep X so you guys can see what it's like. Yeah, if we grab these highs, I'd consider some shorts. Yeah, if we do this, then yeah, I'd be looking for something like this. Or if we pull down from here, we just had that 30 close as well. That's just closed quite strong. You got a little 30 double top. So if you can see this 30 pull down, I'll look at buys up into it first, which would still give like 23 ticks. We're following the overall trend as well. I am a little bit skeptical of shorting gold. So I'll only take it if it's like a perfect setup where we do grab some highs. I'm much more confident to obviously take the longs after this crazy close last week. So yeah, if we grab the highs first, we'll look for shorts around here. If we can pull back down here, we'll look for buys up into there. Yeah, it was a pretty strong close. This hourly's probably looking quite strong. But yeah, this 4 hours got 1, 2, 3 equal lows here as well. So once we do start grabbing some highs, amazing. Amazing. Hey mate, how are you? Hey, what's going on, Scott? I'm good, thank you, man. I'm good. Hope you're doing well, man. Minimum deposit. What's that for, man? This is Topstep. What I was just talking about is Topstep. Topstep is the funding futures company. You guys can see Topstep. That's pinned at the top of the YouTube chat as well. 15. Let's have a look at this. 15. So kind of got a little 15 double bottom there. Is it fucking pissing down or something? The giveaway last week was insane. Yeah, they always do. They always do good giveaways. That's why I love Topstep. They're always giving back. They're always giving back, and they're always listening to the consumers. You know, Topstep are always adapting. That's what I love about them. Hi, hey Mocky, what's going on? Welcome back. Welcome back. Let's see if we can get not an official scalp here, but a little scalp so I can show you guys what it's like to execute on the Topstep X platform. I can't take a screen just yet. What did I miss? Nothing too much. I did do the kind of whole overall weekly outlook. So when I upload it to Discord after, it's probably worth going back and watching like the first 5-10 minutes of the recording, just to see what we got coming up for this week. It's a lovely, lovely, lovely double top there. W Topstep, yeah, W Topstep. Like I said, I will, you know, even if I just have to open a small account just to show you guys what it's like to actually execute on it. We will take a position. I'm not going to force it just yet though, because I think we will get a nice trade today. 66% of people are short. Is that what it was before? I can't know if it changes automatic. I think it does. Yeah, I think it does, yeah. Average short price has now gone to 92.38. So you got the currency chart regrab and previous 30 highs here. Futures chart still respecting it. It's the reason we watched the spot chart here, not the futures. Excuse me. No bottom wick on this current 5. So anyone who's trying to short this on gold is going to get squeezed out here. I think stop loss is going to be above this high here and this high here. I would have loved for us to be able to get the buys up into it. But if we don't, we're leaving a lot of lows to come and grab, so it's fine by me. Reset a couple of accounts last week. Send them twice. Give me 2 free resets for the mix-up. Yeah, nice, Brian. Yeah, that's amazing, man. I like that, man. I like them. Trust in Aaron, mate. Yeah, that's why. Yeah, I've had free resets on Topstep 4 when like something goes wrong, or I remember the time when they had issues with TradeOvate and all the TradeOvate accounts went down, and they gave like everyone like free challenges, free resets, everything. It was insane. It was like an issue that was completely out of their hands, and the amount of free stuff they gave away was absolutely insane. You'd never get any FX firm doing that, that's for sure. Reload Monday me, looking for a better week. This one, yeah, good shout out to you. Yep, absolutely, man. That's the thing. Although, you know, when it gets to the weekend, us traders like don't know what to do. But it's good that we have weekends and the markets are closed over the weekend, because it forces us to have them needed breaks. Can you imagine if the markets were like 24/7? Fucking lose our mind. I used to hate the weekends when I first started trading. I still kind of do, but at the same time, you also really need it. Sometimes you might not want it, but you really need it. Crypto, yeah, you can play crypto. Yeah. But I felt lonely. Yeah, you feel lonely on the weekends. Yeah, you do actually. You don't know what to do. What do normal people do? Got a free Express account because they had a problem with what they had passed. It was like 1,000. But yeah, that's amazing, man. That's amazing. Amazing. Weekends are for relaxing. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. We're gonna get this London Open in about 20 minutes as well. See how this hourly's gonna close. Do we not have a bottom wick on this hourly yet? No, still remember, there's still no bottom wick on this hourly. Hourly hasn't grabbed any lows for quite. I mean, you did here, but you do have a double bottom down there. There's no bottom wick on this current hourly. Do we need to grab that high? Yeah, I think so. I think so. Yeah, I think so. Weekend for golfing. Mondays for golfing for me. I went to driving range today. Bought a new club today as well. I'm really stepping up my game now. 2024. Coming for that. For the golf. I have all the gear and absolutely no idea though. I am that guy. Topstep gave a special in Feb for 50k combine for $4 per combine. Yeah, which is absolutely ridiculous. Which is absolutely ridiculous. Swing too fast, my current set. Yeah. I want to get some as well. I'm gonna try and do it slowly. Slowly build my way up. Fuck. Are you in a position of waiting? I'm looking for some shorts here. I'm just waiting for it to grab some highs and I'm going to look for some shorts. I'm not in a position right now. I'll tell you guys when I take a position. I'll show you the Topstep X platform. But we've got 20 minutes to this hourly is going to close, which has no bottom wick, which is right here. This is the hourly open. You just re-grabbing previous hourly highs, but these highs to me are of interest. This one here, eventually, but not really right now. I'm not really interested in that just yet. Play plenty of rainy golf days, that's for sure. Try to avoid it. I went to because I want to go play like an actual round, but I've just been going to driving range recently because it's so fucking hot. Even there, it's like so hot. And when you're getting frustrated with golf, mixed with hot weather and absolutely dripping, it's not ideal. I've been on 3+ years making, 100% Aiden, 100% man. We'll have to do a trading golf trip. Absolutely. Played in time. Yeah, you guys played. Yeah, I missed out that day. I wish I played with you guys. Expensive nap, yeah. Speaking of that, where's Sleepy Joe? He's never here.
Joe's on his own schedule, his own side quest.
Nice. Is he still with you though, yeah?
That's a bit... Yeah, somewhat. Like 10% of the time.
Yeah, he's there somewhere.
Yeah.
Sleepy Joe.
Yeah, it's an interesting one, that one.
Played a snow day in New Zealand.
He's got a...
Nice. Go on, man. There was when I was in New Zealand, actually in Queenstown, I saw flyers where you could play golf, and one of the holes you got a helicopter up to it, which looked absolutely insane. I'm way too shit for that, but maybe one day. What was it? It was like Queenstown golf helicopter. It was ridiculous.
Imagine how many balls you'd go through if you just smoking them up the side of the mountain.
Yeah, I know. Where is it? Here.
Oh, what up, guys?
How's it going, man?
Sorry, I've been MIA.
It's all good, man. Yeah, here.
What's this?
This is what when I was in Queenstown, I saw there was leaflets to this. You get a helicopter up here, you play golf like on the top of the mountain.
Oh.
Fucking
Have
ridiculous.
I actually genuinely just come back and we're all talking about golf?
You started it.
Yeah, you missed it the last 5 minutes.
Your background started it.
Where's the act? Is it?
I was even
Look at
talking
that.
shit about the English weather that you normally play.
Yeah, it's pretty rubbish, isn't it? Just like your jokes.
Oh, there's this push on gold. Nice push. Look at this rip on gold. This is a rip. Let's have a look at the Topstep tilt here. More people still short. Yeah, the percent of people still short on gold is going up, and the average price now is 92.41. So people are still holding shorts on gold, like I said. And I think anyone who is short on gold, their stop loss is going to be this high here. I imagine there's a lot of stops sitting above here. So once you grab these highs, it'll be interesting to see if this starts to drop down. 62% of Topstep traders trading gold right now are down, which is huge.
The other thing I was looking at is there'd be so many people like draw down. I'll move my stop up a bit higher. Draw down, move it up a bit higher, a bit higher, a bit higher, a bit higher.
Yeah, 100%, man. So you go. You just wicked out them highs here. So the percent of people that were short just went down by 2% very quickly there. Let's see if it starts to drop off. Because this is my area where I am interested in selling short. Guilty. Still have a runner. Nice. Where did you get it from, Tony? Where did you get buys from, man? Can't take a stop loss if you have one. Absolutely. Very true. Wise words. 2 bullet strings to short. Yeah.
That mean financial advice.
Not from me. No financial advice here. This is purely demo entertainment purposes. Yeah, it depends how this hourly. If this hourly closes aggressively like this, yeah, it will be. It's just the fact there was no bottom wick on this hourly. Like since we've jumped on here, this hourly's opened and just ripped. Like I haven't even found a buy entry just yet. My buy opportunity is like below this low and at this resistance. So you've just grabbed this high, you've just grabbed this double top. I'd be interested to see how quick this tilt updates. Oh, Tony sent me a chart. Let's have a look, man. Let's have a look. Oh no, it's Tommy sent me a chart. Wrong one. Let me see. Did you get... Oh, look at that. Tommy just got funded. Amazing work, man. Amazing work. I read your message off this, man. If you're on the Zoom. Fucking amazing work, man. Amazing work. Yeah, good shit, Tommy. Yeah, Tommy in the community just got funded with Topstep as well. Amazing. I was like 3 people funded with Topstep last week. Incredible. Look how bullish we are. This is fucking crazy. You still got runners, Mark and Brett? Gold milking traders. Yeah, gold is milking traders, isn't it?
Nah, I closed full.
Nice. Yeah, good shot, man. Stick to the gold futures chart at all.
I was trying to... My focus for me personally this week, I'm trying to just catch 20-25 ticks.
Yeah.
Because not looking for a home run on every trade.
Good man.
So I'm just doing that this week and just focusing on compounding rather than home runs, rather than taking, lots of break evens and small losses.
100%, man.
And the odd home run, just taking little things, just compounding enough because
Yeah, it's good, man. It's good. That's what you want. Man, take 20 out the markets 2 to 3 times a week. Fuck, man, scale that up. That's all you need, man. That's all you need.
And same thing, just get back to basics, focusing on the skill set. Like 20, you take 20 ticks out, which isn't that hard to do. 20, 25, even 15 to 20 ticks, you scale that up.
100%, man. It's huge. Man, if you come out of a week, a 20 ticks profit on gold, which we all know is absolutely fuckable. You trade that eventually with 10 contracts, man, it's $2,000.
US.
Yeah, US, yeah. What's that? And that's just 20 ticks. 20 ticks out the markets a week on gold is absolutely nothing as long as you're managing your risk. What's that into Australian? It's probably like 3.5 or something, maybe. Yeah, 3,000. Yeah, 3,000 Australian. And 10 contracts and 20. Slow and steady, man. Slow and steady. Gold milking traders. Can't believe I missed the Topstep 5 drill. Yeah, I missed it too. I always miss it because it's a crazy time for me. So the percent of people who are short on the Topstep platform slowly dying out here. Oh, I just went 61 back up to 62. Average price now is 92.83, which is still absolutely ages away. Yeah, people are getting fucking screwed on gold. I'll send you a screenshot, man. I have a secret insider bank info, but I'll share it with you.
Probably. Stranger things have happened, eh?
Let me share my insider info with you.
That's how we all know. So you get those brand new type of list clubs.
Can you just open your phone contacts and just type it in POW for me? I just want to see what comes up.
Okay, I just sent it in.
What do you think he is, a retail trader?
Yeah, I'm not. You do realize I'm not a retail trader. 67% people short now on gold. To be fair, it's a much better place for people to short gold than when they were trying to short it before.
It's a huge push. That's just from where that resistance level I had marked up. It's like 70 ticks almost into them daily highs.
Yeah, it's solid, man.
That's pre-London too. Crazy.
Yeah, that tilt indicator is nice. Yeah, it's nice, yeah. Used a ton of indicators until I saw your videos. Yeah, good man, David. Love to hear it, man. Kick out all the people that were shorting and start reversal, taking these highs. Yeah, I think so. I think so. Possible. Well, because we've now left another double top here, you know, I'll buy up into that because I still think people are probably still short here. Anyone who's short here on gold is probably have their stop, like, you know, just a little bit above this high. So to wick it out a little bit more does make sense to me. And this is actually a triple top. If you look far enough left,
Triple top, yeah.
yeah, it's actually, where is it? I'll probably go on to like the weekly or something. This is the 4 hour. Let's have a look.
4 hour.
Yeah, there you go, 4 hour. So you got 4 hour. Yeah, so it's, this is where if gold's going to continue to spike up, anyone who's going to have their stop loss on gold is very likely going to be right here. It's a shame we couldn't catch these longs though, because I did want to see if we could scalp this up, because you had this trend line. People try and short this trend line and see this push up. But since we've jumped on here, we've opened and just pushed up. So that's fine. We're still going to see that pullback. Nah, none at all.
Sorry, I've been reading. I've been looking.
I'm out 45 pips. Amazing, Tony. Good shit, man. Amazing work. Want to sell, but stop loss would be 98. Yeah, don't sell just yet. You may as well just wait for the hourly. Because even if gold, I think I said this on my, if anyone hasn't already, go watch yesterday's YouTube video. Even if you try and short gold here, there's nowhere to really put your stop loss. Like, you can't put it here because then you're going to get stuck in the retail trap. So, and it's very bullish. So you may as well wait for it to start to show you its cards, show you that it's ready to potentially push down, and then wait for something like this. Because gold's never just going to reject once and just drop. It's going to re-grab the highs and then push down. And then once it re-grabs the highs, then you can short here and have a stop loss above there. The trade's more confirmed, and there's a more valid stop loss. I personally never just take a short just because I want to take a short and I want to try and be the first one in. I'll wait for this to grab the highs, you know, next candle maybe grab it, close doji, you know, something like this, and then I'll be looking for that play back up. And I'll buy here, my stop loss will go down below here. Exactly the same as the buys from last week. You buy here, you put your stop loss below there. You don't try buy here, you don't try buy here, you buy after this. Same as if you want to get these sells today. Rather than trying to sell now and trying to be the first one in and trying to prove like your ego, wait for it to actually close, because it's not just going to reject once and just drop. That's the thing with gold, is people like to try and short now and think it's just going to push down. But it's like, even if gold's going to drop, you know, it might push down, re-grab the highs, close doji, and then you'll be able to take it down. Then you can short here and put a stop loss here, and the trade comes much nicer. And you're going to get the London Open in like 8 minutes as well. That's my takeaway. To get back to what I know. Yeah, 100%, man, 100%. This thing is, it's so easy to try and just jump in the markets and try and be the first one in. But it's like, if you try short now, what's the point? Gold's never just going to drop from here. We're going to do like this, and like this, and like this. And then she like all of these like this. So it's like, you may as well just wait for them. Entry's more confirmed, and you have a much more valid stop loss.
And the other thing I've said to myself so many times, there's nothing that happens on the 5 you don't see on the 15 and 30, and I'm like, if I know that's it, then just stick to that, because it's so true. You look back, all the moves, usually a clean grab on the 15 or 30 before it rips.
Yeah.
Anything before that's usually just chop.
Yeah, 100%, man.
Chop, chop.
Chop, chop, chop. Are we going to grab these highs? I would love for us to start to reject here and leave this liquidity. 71% people are short on gold. Still 78% of people are still negative. That's crazy.
Are you using that similar to the way bookmark is used then? I don't know what that is though.
Oh yeah, this is just the I'm just playing around with the new how do I let me just share this with you. Just playing around with the new Topstep X platform, and they have something built into it called Tilt, so you can actually see what most Topstep traders are doing.
Okay.
So I can see that most Topstep, like if I look at gold, 30% of people are long on Topstep are gold. 70% of Topstep traders who trade gold are 70% short. And it just kind of shows you their average price as well. So I've only just started to have a look at it since Mark mentioned it. I'm just gonna keep an eye on it really.
I send a little screen snip in if anyone wants to have a look.
Yeah, nice one, man. Nice.
I got on a bigger screen. Old. My eyes aren't good.
I don't know how quickly it's updated or how accurate it is, but that's why it'll be good to kind of keep an eye on it. There's just like it could be like, maybe a little added confluence or something. I hear an accent. How is it you live in Oz? I am a New Zealand citizen. My parents lived in New Zealand before I was born. So I'm able to live in Australia and New Zealand without a visa, man.
Dodgy.
I got many passports. Not enough actually. I need a few more. Need a few more.
They are looking for a new James Bond.
It's the pitbull from Wish. Mr. Worldwide, that's me.
Yeah, you've not got the credentials.
Topstep X web-based. Yeah, it's web-based, man. Web-based, man, which is nice. Thought you were from the UK. Yeah, well, I'm born in a place called Jersey, but yeah, my parents lived in New Zealand for like 5+ years, Jersey, before I was born. So that means I got full New Zealand citizenship, which is very nice, very lucky.
Very nice, very good.
Otherwise, I'd be getting kicked out of Australia already. There's all my friends who come to Australia. They can stay here for like a max of like 2 years, and they get booted. But I'm lucky.
Don't get the work visa.
Yeah, it's like 2 years max, I think. Unless you get like sponsored.
Is in the middle of nowhere, on a farm.
Yeah.
And he's been up there for years.
Two people I've been talking to on my travels. Apparently, Australia's getting rid of the rural work thing. If you want to extend or something like that.
Was it?
Really?
If you're English, yeah.
Yeah, because they got to do like
you don't want those people in there.
Nah, you don't.
You want the Welsh, but not the English.
Bring all the Welsh.
No, what happened was, before COVID, all the farmers were ripping off all the backpackers doing farm work on piece rate. So they'd done a royal commission, and then it worked out that, the farmers were in the wrong. So now they've opened it up to 6 or 7 more Asian countries that they can do farm work because they won't complain.
Oh.
The English don't have to do it.
Oh shit! Nice. Nice.
It's dodgy.
From the cage, do some crimes and get it for free. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. Just trading. So you're half Kiwi and half Aussie? Not quite. I'm actually half.
He's a mongrel.
I'm half English and half Scottish, actually.
Oh, he's only English when England played in the World Cup.
Yeah.
Euros, though.
Yeah.
But when they don't play football,
Yeah, it's still coming home. Yeah, if it's coming home, then I'll, obviously support England. Oh, that's as far as it goes though. There's nothing else.
I'll have to take up my t-shirt, the jersey definitely. I support Wales and whoever plays against England.
You sound very English, not like a Kiwi. Yeah, I wasn't born in New Zealand or anything like that. Although I wish I was. I love New Zealand. I would love to live there one day.
I I think you're gonna have to
5 minutes
practice
from the top here.
the hacker, and you will have to open each Zoom with the hacker for Nova.
Alright, deal. Deal. I'll do it when you get out your England kit that we all know you secretly have.
Like with his little British flag waving it.
That will never happen, Mark.
Listen.
He's like a Pavlo who might have used his passport, but the trader's stolen him. I think we're going to rip the highs. Yeah, I think we're going to rip the highs as well. I want to see this hourly instantly bottom wick, and I want to look for this. I still want to look for these buys. This is the first hourly close that we've had since we've jumped on, and we're going to get the London Open here as well. Those hourlies leaving a nice rejection, but you've closed very bullish. So even if gold's going to push down today, you're going to re-grab the highs. So in any situation today on gold, even if we're going to push high, obviously we're going to break the highs, but even if we're going to push down, we're going to break the highs. So in either situation right now, if we bottom wick on this next hourly, buy up into them next highs, we're following the trend. We're following the fact that you may just break these highs and keep pushing higher, but we're also following the fact that most people are probably still trying to short this resistance here with their stop loss just above. So next hourly to open, instant bottom wick like this. What can we look at? What do we have from here? Where do you see how many people are short? It's on the Topstep X platform. So 73% of people are still short on gold. Average price of 293.67 on the futures. 15 ticks into highs. I'm gonna I'll take a trade soon on this Topstep X platform so you guys can see it. It won't be an official trade, but I'll just take a small something just so you guys can get an idea of it. If we can wick out previous 15 lows and then re-break the highs, you know, you got a pretty nice trade there. I don't know if I'll take it like big size on my own, but because what is it? It's only 10 ticks. Here. 73% of people are still short. Is that a signal? No signals, man. No signals. No signals.
Okay.
Has anyone got any advice on spreads? I don't completely understand them. Always seem to get stopped out before it hits my stop loss. I'm still used to trying to understand it all. That's the fun of trading FX, man. Yeah. The fun of trading FX, man. If you trade futures, you won't get that problem. And like I say, when I do take a position here, whether it's this next trade or by the time on this stream, I will take a trade on just with a small position on the Topstep X platform so you guys can just see it and you'll see how good the execution is as well. You don't have to deal with spreads. As long as there's liquidity in the markets in gold in a normal volume session like London, even Asia, New York, you get amazing fills. 5 minutes still pushing down here, grabbing 15 lows. Alright, let me just take a let me see if I can share this with you guys. Anyone who wants to see you guys on Zoom as well, if you want to see the Topstep X platform, hop over to the YouTube right now. I'll take a small position just so you guys can see what it's like. So click buy there, that's the order gone in straight away there. Now if I want to put in a stop loss, with this here, all I do is just drag this down, let go, and you guys will see here. Now I have my stop loss in. And if you want to put in a take profit, drag this up and drop it, and then there's your take profit. And wherever I drag this down, it will tell me what the dollar risk amount is as well. So if anyone who is new to futures, and maybe you don't really understand the contract sizing just yet, if you do it all through here, it's going to make your life a lot easier. Like this is just one contract just playing around on gold, and same as the take profit, the more you drag this up, you'll be able to see it changing there as well. This is just traded one contract on gold, which is very small, only minus. You can see your P&L here, you can see it here. This isn't, no one actually take this trade though. This is just me playing around with the platform just to show you guys. Don't actually take this trade. Not an official trade. If you want to put in, market order, limit order, stop order, trailing, yes, that's all here as well. If I can close the position here, I can reverse it here, I can cancel all orders. If I click flatten all, it will flatten live positions. Cancel all orders as well. It's pretty laggy on YouTube, really? Let me have a look. Let me have a look. I hope not. Seems to be alright for me. If someone else let me know if it's laggy, I can try and fix it. I don't know if you can. It would be good if you could change this, and maybe someone else might know. It'd be good if you could change this to show like, you know, ticks rather than the actual like dollar amount. I know you can do it on Trading View, but I don't know if I can do it on here. Because that's the only thing, that's the only reason that I don't like to personally execute on the same place I do my analysis, because I don't like to see the dollar amount, and you can change it to actual ticks, but I don't know if you can do it on this. I'm not sure if you can. But that's it, I'm going to close this position soon. It's just me just playing around showing you guys the position. If anyone wants me to test anything else, now's a chance to ask, because I'm just playing around. This is a very small position, so minus $30. So if anyone wants me to play around with anything else, let me just have a look at your guys' comments. Fine for me, cool. Yes, you can. I use ticks on Topstep X. Yeah, nice. Yeah, how do you do that? How do you do that? I thought you could. How do I change? Is there like a? Because it's the same as Trading View, so you should be able to. I would have thought it would be here. Can you play around 15 contracts long? Yep. Deal. Because there's usually a trading. Let me here see if you applied. Looks great. Was that one tick? So this is just one contract. This trade I'm in here is just one contract. So one tick's like one tick. So this now like minus 30 is like minus 3 ticks. If you want to trade like more contract size, then you can just do it here, and you can just type in, you know, whatever you want here. So if you want to, you want to adjust stop losses, bring it all the way down here, it will tell you the dollar risk amount. If it pushes down more, I'll show you guys what it's like to enter in another position in drawdown and show you how it actually averages out the trade, which is something you don't get in the FX world, which I think is quite nice. Not that you should be necessarily adding into losing trades all the time, but sometimes if the trade's still valid and you've only entered half risk and it pushes down here and you want to enter in something else, it will average your position out to maybe something like this. So if it pushes down more, just for the purpose of just showing you guys, I will take it so you guys can see, but not yet though. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, so honestly, you can get rid. How do I change it to show ticks then? Is there a link to Topstep X from your Topstep account? Yes, there is. Yep. I may be mistaken, but I'm pretty sure it can be switched. Yeah, nice man. Yeah, if you do find it, let me know, man. I would assume you can, because it's it's Trading View charts, and you can do it on Trading View. Like I say, I'm still playing around with it as well, so we'll figure it out together. 75% people still short here on gold. Anyone on Zoom, this isn't like official a trade here. I'm just playing around with this. If it was official a trade, I would share with you my account and be trading much more than one contract. Let's just bring in this. I should probably write here, just in case anyone joins and starts buying gold. Even though I think it's going to go higher. Not yet. Not official trade. To take this official trade on my normal account, we're going to see how this 15-minute reacts around the lows. So just in case anyone joins, don't take this. We're just playing around. Markets are quite slow here. Gold's not really doing too much just yet. Let's have a look at this 15 here. 30. Yeah, 30 still looking nice on gold. Decent double top.
You've now got 76% of people shorting.
How much, sorry? 76, yeah. Yeah. Let me have a look. I think gold might spike up a bit and then go bearish. Yeah, me too, man, me too. I'm gonna start trading futures. Still trade demo on Trading View. Should I change over to Trading View? Yeah, it's worth it, man. Yeah, because if you want to trade futures as well, you can trade on. You can choose TradeAvate as the broker as well if you want to do that, and you can sign into Trading View on TradeAvate as well. TradeAvate's a good platform. The Tradeovate web platform is what I use for personal. It's pretty clean. Yeah, I think gold will spike up more as well, yeah. I'm waiting for it to get down to a worthwhile place where I can actually take buys. 20 ticks. It's getting close. It's getting very close. What's the code for Topstep? Just click the link to pin to the top, man. It'll take you straight there. You can see this, isn't it? I want this to be like not volatile, not crazy volatile, but volatile enough so I can actually show you guys what it's like to you know, to enter the position and manage it and, you know, close it, etc. But we need a little bit more volume than this. Even the 1 minute is very, very slow here. Look at the like time and sales here. It's very, very, very small, just small orders coming in and out of gold right now. And one thing you guys can do as well is, if you guys trade on Topstep X, if you're on it, let me just make sure I'm on the right screen. Here. One thing that you need to remember to do that I almost messed up on is if you change your chart here and go look at something like NASDAQ, you have to remember to change the order here because it's not automatic. You have to go here and then select NASDAQ. I was looking at NASDAQ and tried to take a little scalp on NASDAQ the other day, but realized I was still selected on gold. And I didn't realize it wasn't automatic. 5 minutes just closed bearish there on gold.
There's a way to save it so it is automatic.
Oh really?
Topstep X,
Oh okay, that'd be
where
good.
it says order on it's like a stop sign, like a red white cross. If you click on that, you can change the color, and then you have to go to your gold chart and change it as well, which is I can't figure it out properly. It's annoying. If you go under gold where it says gold 5 minutes and go to link, there's like a color and you can set it somewhere.
Change it, or it changes the chart. Oh really? Yeah. So you change it. Oh, you change it from there. Yeah. So if you change the contract on the order, then it changes it on the chart. That's the really easiest way. So you want to trade NASDAQ, take it to the NASDAQ chart, and then trade gold. And we can see this gold position here. Going to re-grab the lows here on gold. And we're going to get ready to take this up on my actual account here with it. On my actual other demo account here. Let me just log in here. Because where we're currently sitting here on gold, to re-grab these highs is like 20 ticks now, which is pretty nice. Launch, demo section, yep, cool. Let me just quickly see the chat. Thanks, yeah, no worries, man, no worries. I'll log into the Tradeovate platform as well. Any of you guys who are... the system has run out of application memory, force quit. No, don't fucking force quit anything. Settings, yeah, whatever. We can close. I need to free up some space on this Mac, man. You can quit caster. All that vlogging takes really, I know. And if anyone is interested, this is the Tradeovate platform. So if you guys trade on Topstep, this is the Tradeovate platform. If you want to trade on Tradeovate, this is the platform here, and it's just as nice as clicking the orders, and you can put a test trade here. But this is we can take some buys on gold. No, I don't want to do that. Go away. Still waiting for your New Zealand vlogs. Yeah, they're coming. The first Queenstown one's out, but the main one, which will be like when I was trading in Auckland, will be out probably next week. Actually, I got the house tour one coming this week, and I'll probably do it next week. I have to actually go through all this. So much footage to go through because I just got so much when I was there. There's quite a lot to go through, but yeah, I think I'll have. Hopefully next week. I'm trying to get other people to edit my YouTube videos now, so I can just start not editing videos and post more But the vlogs like that, I like to edit them ones. So we've got 1 minute till this 15 is going to close here on gold. If we close below this previous low here, we may dip down a little bit more, which is good. The more we dip down, we still have these highs to come and grab. So the more we dip down, the more buying we get for like 30 ticks, which is amazing. How's that 4 hour looking? 4 hours got still some time to close. Yeah, still got an hour. Yeah, that double top's beautiful now. This is the thing. This is why it's so important on gold to, you know, sometimes if you jump on the charts and you just don't really see liquidity, it doesn't take long for it to be formed. It really doesn't. What's the level of interest? Oh, we got 14 minutes. 15 is going to close in like 30 seconds here. Alright guys, give me 2 seconds. I'm just going to grab another drink and we'll see if this next 15 can give us the entry here. 2 seconds. What are you looking for? I'm looking to buy gold up into these previous highs here. So how's that 15 just he did just close below the low, not much, but you have a 15 triple top up here that I'm trying to buy up into. That's what I'm looking for here. This 15 is opening with an instant top wick. Alright, this little Topstep X play around positions back to break even. So I'm just going to close this here. Let's just drag up the stop so you guys can see it. What is it? So you can see a risk at $90 now. If you just want to close all, which I'm just going to flatten everything, just to it. It was just a. There you go. See. So order cancelled, and order filled. So it's as simple as clicking flatten all, and flatten all will cancel all your positions. And all your orders as well. If you want to cancel just orders, then you can click cancel all. But if you want to close absolutely everything, then click flatten all. The reason I'm flatten all, that was just a little test position, but I think you're going to re-grab these 15 lows, and it was back at entry, so cut it for like minus, I don't know, $10, just a little play around position. But we'll get an official trade here as soon as this 30 starts to, as soon as 15, sorry, does re-grab this low. To re-grab these highs here, it looks like a pretty easy trade for us today actually. I'm just hoping it comes in soon. Yeah, it's like a weekly. Look at that. So you have a weekly triple top here, which is, you know, a weekly triple top in a very bullish, strong weekly close. So we're following the momentum. 30. Yeah, 30's not doing much just yet. So you're re-grabbing the lows there on gold. I'm going to drop down to the 5 minute hit. 5 minute just wicked out the highs. Grabbing the little double bottom right now. Little 5 minute double bottom there. You guys can probably see. So that top wick was my opportunity to cut that little test trade at break even. Double bottom, grab the highs, push back down. But yeah, with this overall, you know, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 highs up here that haven't been grabbed. So continuing to buy gold today looks like a pretty easy trade, guys. I'm hoping it comes in the London session so we can take it together. But who knows, could have just taken till New York, I don't know. price action has not been amazing to start the week since we've jumped onto, which is fine. It's only Monday morning. Look at this 30. So we're watching this here. If you close back below here, will I short? No, because why? You have a double top. But if this starts to wick back up, I'll execute some buys. An entry from an average around here up into these highs is going to give you minimum 20. Average position 93.87, so people are probably just about going to be able to get out of their positions now at break even. 87, where's that? Yeah, a little bit more. We have to start trading the 1 minute soon. This is very slow on gold. What do you use for internet when traveling? I use whatever's at the Airbnb. I found Airbnb Wi-Fi to be better than hotels. So I just try and stay at Airbnbs. And if you really want, I mean, I'm not scalping like the second or 1 minute chart, so I never really run into issues. But if you really want, for the most part, you can just contact the Airbnb hosts and ask them to do a quick internet speed check as well. And they're usually pretty happy to do it. But I found Airbnb Wi-Fi is better than hotels because on hotels, you know, like every other person in the hotel is using it, whereas in Airbnbs, it's just yours. Any of really stay at Airbnbs anyway. But yeah, I never really ran into this. I had more issues with the internet in Australia than I have traveling, to be honest. It's good now, but previously, I have had issues mainly with Wi-Fi since I've been in Australia. Some of our hotel Wi-Fi's have been shut. Yeah, hotel Wi-Fi's are the worst. Just every other person's using it. But with the way we trade, we're pretty alright with it. We don't need, like, you know, top of the top because we're scalping like the 1 minute and looking at a million different platforms. Waiting for it to take out the low and wick back up. Yeah, pretty much. Well, I'm just waiting to. I'm waiting to see if this can start to look like it's going to close above here, and then I'll take it higher. Internet was so bad here. We have Starlink, but not the Roman one. Let's travel to get that. Yeah, my internet where I've just moved to is good, but when I was in Sunshine Coast, it was awful. Yeah, all I'm looking for here is if this 13 looks like it's going to close back above here, I'm going to look to buy gold. And you're going to be looking to buy gold from here up into these highs for like 22 ticks. That's a 15. How's the other charts looking? So, yeah, previous Audi was bullish, didn't re-grab the highest bottom wicking. 30 minutes, same again. 30 minute could grab these little lows here. It is possible. Like I said, I don't really care about where you're going to dip down into, because the more you do dip down, the more we make on the way up. It's like 40 ticks from anywhere below this low. That's amazing. Even the 4 hour. I was looking for shorts today. Once the 4 hour kind of grabbed these highs here, but because you've come so close to this high now and left the double top, I think you're going to see us push higher before maybe retracing some of this move. Why that level? Good question, man. Because it's a double top. So if you go look at double tops on gold, it's actually a triple top. But I'll just show it as a double top, just for the sake of the example. Whenever you see a double top on gold, the likelihood of it getting grabbed is very, very high. Because anyone who's short on gold, you know, say if people are still short from like here or whatever, their stop loss is always just a few pips above that high there. So the way that gold moves, if it's going to have this big move back down into here, it'll always come up, re-grab the highs, and then have the push down. Every single time. Every single time on gold. If you can find me a time where gold's respected a double top or double bottom and pushed up or down, I will. No, I'm not going to commit to anything, but it's extremely unlikely. So you're grabbing them 30 lows now, which is nice. Good thing we cut them little test longs. But yeah, if you look at even before, like, you know, all of these moves here, like you see this level of support, people buy here, stops out the lows, pushes higher. Same as all the lows that we had last week as well. You have a triple bottom here, people jump in longs here, put their stop loss down below there, grabs the lows and pushes higher. So we're pretty much, like, if you just reverse this, we're looking for the exact same thing here today. This is being created and we're looking for this. Okay, that was beautiful, little, beautiful 15-minute morning star there. Where are we?
Those GJ shorts are coming.
Really?
Here.
Nice. Nice. Yeah, beautiful. Look at that. Very nice. You had a triple top here. Yeah, still much more to come on GJ as well. 120. It's got like 120. Marcus did a triple top, perhaps he'd kick them out later. Yeah, very likely, very likely. Like on gold last week, before you saw this huge move up here. Wait, where was it? Was it this one? No, this one. You left this beautiful double top perfectly in the London session last week as well. And then that's where we took the buys from down here, buying up into that double top. So last week, from this double top, you did end up dipping down like 80 plus ticks, which was very surprising. But then you retraced the entire move. So we're pretty much looking for something like this today. Not to dip down this much. So if we dip down this much again, I kind of want to be in it. But dip down a little bit. And then we look for buys up into this double top. Although this was news, it doesn't matter. The principle is the exact same. And it's exactly what we're looking for here. It's annoyingly too heavy now. I can't even short it because it's got this double top. No, you didn't grab it.
What I'm looking for coming into this week, I do not. If Naz is going to have a retracement, the range to the downside, I do not want to miss that.
Yeah, let's have a look. That was last week's close. I think it was pretty strong. Yeah, solid. Yeah, Naz on a huge push. Grab that little double bottom. Boom. I reckon so many people are probably trying to short this for like a big swing, trying to call the tops here on Naz. A solid push. Yeah, you do have NFP this week as well. Non-farm payroll. What ticker are we on for Tradeovate? Let's have a look. GCJ4. GCJ4. Same as oil. CLJ4.
Volume from him for the sales, eh?
Yeah, decent, man, decent. I don't think it'll be long lived though.
I just saw that. I saw the candle like dip down.
Here's a decent dip. 12 contracts, 292.9. Someone just sold gold at 293.9. 12 contracts. Some of these people who are short on gold earlier. Can't all their positions at break even. You got 1 minute till this 30 is going to close. If we start to wick back up from here, this could be nice. It's got a pretty decent. Doesn't maybe just wick back above like here.
80% of people shorting too.
Yeah, which is huge. 5 minutes starting to find some support here. Five minutes just waking down. Yeah, 78% people short. 38% in the negative still. You see, it's 30. Looks like it might close back above. Come on, gold. One more minute to start wicking up. That's what gold can do, though.
I'd love to see the previous hourly low get taken. That would be very strong.
Yeah, that'd be beautiful. Beautiful. Five minutes starting to push up here quite nicely actually. This 5 minute close could be really nice. Five-minute close, no bottom wick. This 5 minutes almost closed back above.
It's wicked out the hourly lows on the futures, but not the currency, which is interesting.
Let's see. Oh yeah, currencies are very close as well. Hmm. 5 minute just closed, no top wick, unfortunately. So 30 minutes just closed there. So that's that 30 just closed. Yeah, failed to close below the previous low, which is nice. Didn't close back above like here, which is not ideal, but I'm not gonna be that picky about it. You got 1, 2, 3, like 4 equal 30-minute highs now here as well. You did close below previous 30-minute low. It's not the worst, but it's also not the cleanest. What would your risk be off previous 30 lows? 15. Meh. BTC broke 65? Oh shit, did it? That's crazy. That's crazy. Wonder how many people are FOMOing into Bitcoin right now.
The months.
Yeah, just tapped 65.
Honestly.
Yeah, that's crazy. 65,000 on Bitcoin, yeah, that's fucking huge. Huge, 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 huge. Little daily triple top. Grab the lows. Very nice. About 5% return. Yeah, some insane pushes on the crypto markets at the minute. XRP starting to break out as well. Broke above 60 cent, retested. Daily triple top. You'll see that push up more. Go on, Goldie, do something here. Give us something. We're just chopping. If you zoom out, we're not doing anything. And gold's going to be tricky this week in these little annoying places. That's the thing. When last week's had such a big push, you have to expect this. Don't have crazy expectations. Like I say, gold had one of the most insane closes last week that we've seen in a very long time on gold. So this right now is completely expected. I think I should risk on my Topstep account. I did a whole video on what contract sizes to trade. Depends on how well you can manage your risk, but just start off trading like 2 to 3 contracts. Nothing crazy. You can trade like 15, but you don't need to trade anywhere near that. Don't even get close to 15. You're getting that close to these lows now. You're probably gonna fucking re-grab it. Yeah, you shouldn't even be trading 5, to be honest. And whatever contracts you use on gold, remember, don't use the same contract size as something like NAS. One contract on gold may not be a lot, but one contract on NAS is a lot. If you trade NAS, you should be trading micros. One contract on NAS sometimes can be crazy. 17 tick range. Not a lot we can really do here on gold, unfortunately. What time is it? 53. We're still for 30 minutes. I'm gonna keep watching it because I do really want to get these buys today.
I think, like you always say, like it's tease those highs and push down without fully pushing through it like we normally see.
Yeah. 100%, man. Yeah, I think it's going to give that nice opportunity today. I just don't think it's going to be right now. Maybe. We still got half an hour.
I've still got those hourly lows marked out. I think that's until it grabs them, just because of the last 4 hourly candles haven't been grabbed, but it's probably going to give a higher confluence in something like it.
Yeah, 100%, man. 2-3 contracts on pound and euro is good. Honestly, it depends. It depends how big your stop loss is. Every trade's going to be different. But if you trade on TradingView or you trade on Topstep X, you can work out how much you want to risk on each of the trade. Especially if you trade here. When you trade on here, when you click trade here and create new order, you can put in like $1 risk amount, and it will tell you what contract size to actually use. I've never traded pound or euro futures, so I'm not sure what it's like compared to gold. I personally only trade gold futures.
Topstep X so far. I'm interested to have a play around with it this week because I got the combine thing, so
yeah,
I'm mucking around with it. But
it's good,
I like
man.
how integrated it is.
Yeah, I'm liking it, man. It's good. It's good.
And plus, like it's like so much cheaper than if you're doing an external thing, which obviously makes sense because it's their own platform. But
Yeah.
I know,
Man.
talking to some people that just can spend hundreds and hundreds, if not thousands, on challenges and
Yeah.
and crazy.
Yeah, it's ridiculous.
I just wanted to take out those 30 on hourly lows now.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, I'm not looking to get too chopped up in this mess.
Just take them out and I'll probably just buy and swing it up to be fair.
Yeah.
Bastard, nicely.
No, I'm trying to tell it. It's not working.
It is only 8:30 London time. We still got all day, but I won't be watching it all day. I'll be setting some alerts soon.
Yeah, no, it's one of those things.
Either setting the alerts or trading the 30.
Yeah. So I got that now. I got the 30 in the hourly.
Yeah, nice.
A level going across. Right. Even off that level, it's 50 ticks.
Yeah. That's the thing, when you watch like the hourly and the 30, it's like, man, it's so easy to know if there's going to be a trade in the next 30 minutes or not. And if you can see it's not shaping up nice, it's like, man, you can literally just come back at the next 30 close. It's pretty much what I do when I'm not watching here with you guys. Like if I jump on now, Michael, 30 is the middle of the range, I may as well just come back for the next 30 close, come back for the next 30 close, and see if it's good or not. It's never just going to, you always think that it's just going to, by the time if you miss it, it's going to be all the way up here, but it never is.
No, it's, I'm trying, well, hopefully before 9 AM, it dipped a bit lower, so I can just enter and forget about it.
Yeah, I want the same, man. I want the same.
I might go for a few holes before the US-ish.
Nice.
Just, I pumped up my little floatable dinghy. So we can go dolphin.
Good morning, BTC pushing over 65,000. Good morning, man. Yeah, Bitcoin, yeah, huge run, absolutely insane run. Any of you guys who hold any crypto, some insane runs. on crypto. Where's my... Oh, here you go. Crypto watch list is back now. Where are we? Bitcoin. Yeah, absolutely ridiculous. Watch out though, you know, you got some levels, some lows to come and grab. You got 60,000, you still got 55,000 to retest as well. I want to see some people FOMOing into Bitcoin. That would be nice. A lot of people will be getting scared.
I reckon it can go to 1,000.
Yeah, I reckon
100,000.
100,000. Yeah, tonight I reckon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Easy.
Bitcoin to 100,000 tonight. Yeah, 100% guaranteed.
So I'm gonna tweet about it now, and then everyone is going to jump in.
Sold all mine in 2015. Damn. I sold mine back in 2020.
I'm still in mine.
Yeah, that's crazy. Where do you have it from? 13?
2013.
2013, yeah, that's crazy.
No, 13,000, sorry. So
13,000, yeah.
Yeah.
13,000.
Must be nice.
Yeah, it must be nice, yeah.
It'd be nice if there was a lot more now.
I don't think that I got the signal for that one. I have to check Discord though.
I don't think I was even trading it.
Yeah. Yeah, 13,000 was back in like early 2020, I believe.
I think... I can't remember. I remember when I did it, I was in a Costa car park.
Nice.
No joke. You know, I made Scotty.
Nice.
You wouldn't do it. I was like, no. He's like, I'm doing it. And I thought he did. So I can't remember when I put it, when I bet there. And then I was like, okay, cool. And he's like, fuck off, you've actually done it. I was like, yeah, didn't you? And he's like, no. And I was like, oh, shit.
75% people still short here on gold. Just quote every crypto influencer. yeah, every crypto. People said Bitcoin was going to 100,000 last time. It was at the 60s. Look how that went. Like calling such a random number is so ridiculous, with no historical price action. It's just so stupid. There'll be people who will still hold it. I even made a video, you guys can go find it on my YouTube, when Bitcoin was around here, or it was either here or it was here, and I was saying do not buy even if you're going to see that push up. This was always going to happen. This was always going to happen. Yeah, maybe not this much, but these are just normal. You know, the markets don't just go up. That's what people who trade crypto think. People think it's just going to go up like this forever. Right here is where every person down your local fucking pub starts buying crypto, and right now as well. Everyone going to work this morning, be talking to their colleagues about, oh, have you seen crypto? You guys will now have the opportunity, just about to probably get out of your positions from like 21 at break even. You have to be like minus 70%. Everyone's probably just getting out at break even. Or continue to. Yeah, it's quite nice actually. I was watching that 60,000. This has been non-stop.
The retro days, I don't know, a bit way, but you wouldn't shot.
You wouldn't start loading up some cells. Stop buying it after it broke 1,000. Crypto wasn't that much.
Mark guy in the community, he's short in. Fake Aussie.
How's this 15 looking on gold here? Absolutely. This is just an absolute shit show here on gold. Used to buy crypto when you could only get it with cash. Rock up the bank with 10k in cash, put it in the deposit machine. Yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy. Yeah, I stopped buying. I stopped buying Bitcoin. I think maybe once it got past like 12,000 or something stupid. Like here, maybe. To me, buying a.
In the Costa car park.
To me, buying a cryptocurrency that's currently worth 65,000 is absolutely ridiculous. So
I just don't
overvalued.
understand why. Like, why?
It's just become, yeah, it's just become.
The world is never going to be run just by one coin.
Nah. Never.
Never.
Nah.
It's not. It's just no. It's not.
Nah, it's not.
Like, especially by a coin that's called Dog Coin or Dogecoin.
Dogecoin.
Dogecoin. Oh, yeah. It's not. No. Not.
By USD. Nice. Yeah, that's the first time I heard about it. ROI on that was bad.
Oh, there's my stick. And I'm going to get my stick and I'm going to poke it. Do something.
NFTs, yeah, NFTs. Who remembers it? NFTs? That was the biggest fucking scam going. NFTs was the biggest load of fucking bullshit. And didn't some fucking idiots pay like $1 million for an NFT or something ridiculous? Something stupid. You can have a little 15 continuation here soon, actually. Justin Bieber. Was it Justin Bieber?
Justin Bieber.
Did he buy an NFT for $1 million? I guess he could have.
Logan Paul.
I guess he can afford to. Yeah, Logan Paul. Yeah.
What a plonker.
Logan Paul. He still owes people fucking millions from his bullshit NFT. Crypto Zoo or whatever the hell it is. That crap. Every social media influencer was starting their own NFT project. The biggest scam going. Market's slow today in Cube Bloody Mood. Yeah, very slow today. Don't force it. You're gonna get some good volume today, no doubt. But don't force it. Gold's slow, like you just said. NQ slow. Everything's a little bit slow. Just wait for the volume to come in. A photo of Rock, yeah, it's so ridiculous. I don't know who that is, Nathan. Don't know who that is, man. Yeah. I watched the CoffeeZilla one. Yeah, I first found CoffeeZilla since he did that video on Uncle Ted. It was the first time I ever heard about CoffeeZilla.
He's quiet now, eh? Uncle Ted, good old.
Yeah, he pops up every now and again on Instagram. I still follow him.
Yeah, I think I follow him. Yeah. Ever since that YouTube detective
It's crazy,
tried
yeah.
again,
Yeah.
I'm a bit quiet. So it's
Yeah, things like a lot of what could be used. Yeah, definitely. I really want to try them Apple Vision Pros. I can't ever see a time where I would buy it and use it, but I would just love to try it just to see what it's like.
Did I send you the Apple Vision goggles that I sent to Mark?
I don't know.
And Aidan?
I don't think so. Maybe.
Probably not.
It seems like that's the 14th golf club that
Did you
you
send-
handed to me.
Did you send Aaron that Bitcoin signal you sent me the other day too? Or?
Selling at 60,000 or?
No, there's still payment got declined.
Aaron the Guru Futures ripped away. Yeah, I wish I'd be famous. He's a retailer. Apparently, he claims to not be a retailer.
Does Aaron have Instagram? Do you have Instagram?
Yeah, I got loads of scam accounts that are actually secretly all me. H3MP London, it's
He's
personally
got a lot of
unreliable.
passports.
Yeah, I usually love pre-London for gold, but Monday morning today is pretty slow. But it's kind of expected here, I think. I think it's going to be slow like all week, well, until like NFP. But it'll create a lot of space around these highs. But these ranges are worthwhile trading. You just got to wait for it to follow the plan. Like have some grabs and then trade it. When it's in the middle of a range, yeah, it's not easy. Vision Pros are useless. You use them for the first times and then forget them. Yeah, 100%, man. Yeah, that's the thing. You'd buy it, you'd use it like twice, then buy it. It's just completely pointless. I would just love to try it just to see what it's actually like. I've never done like a VR thing. But yeah, I can't ever imagine.
Simon Beard, who's the Culture Kings founder, put a video up on Facebook, and he said he grabbed a pair on his way back from America and brought it to Australia. He's like, I pretty much can't use them in Australia because there's no apps for them at all. So
oh, got it.
In Australia at the moment.
Oh yeah, true. Got it. Have you seen his house on the Gold Coast? Oh man, it's absolutely ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous.
He doesn't really care about the money value of those glasses.
No, God no. If you've seen this, see if I can find it.
He sells Culture Kings for like hundreds of millions.
Yeah, like 500 or something. I think it was.
Crazy.
Culture Kings.
Yeah.
He's chilling. It's like a big well, like, I've never shopped there, but like street there.
Yeah, I hadn't heard of it till I came to Australia, but it's actually fucking huge. You can watch it here. I just sent it in the chat out if you want to see his house. It's fucking ridiculous.
Yeah.
Are you
to be
true?
fair, those clothes that you were looking at in Thailand, I have no idea what they were.
Yeah. Are you trading GC? Yes, I am. Well, not yet. I haven't taken anything today. We're right back to where we started the stream, unfortunately. But yeah, this is obviously the spot chart here. But yeah, we execute trading GC futures. I just analyze on this spot chart here. But we're right back to the exact same place where we started the stream, unfortunately. You did just grab that hourly low though, starting to find some support. Man, it's just so choppy here on gold. It's unfortunate. I'd love to take a trade today with you guys, but I'm not going to take a trade in this range for the sake of it. It's so messy. But be aware of these highs up here though, today. Because there are some very, very nice highs to be grabbed. And also these lows down here. If we had wicked out these highs, I'd be short in this position right now. But we didn't even grab the highs, so you can't even short this. Gold is slow, choppy PA today. No trade day for me, I think. Yeah, good shout, Andrew. Not trading is still trading, man. Not trading is still trading, man. I think you'll get some decent volume on gold today. But it just probably won't come until maybe, I don't know, closer to New York, possibly. But the best way when it's like this is just set some alerts and just close the laptop. That's what I do. Whenever I'm not on stream and I still take trades later, it's all just based off the higher time frame and alerts. Because
the on the US if people are interested.
Nice, man.
A link.
Yeah, do it, man. Do it. Get it going.
Just have a look.
I'll be on for sure.
Pal will be spinning. Yeah, Pal speaking on Wednesday. I've learnt a lot today. Thanks so much. Good man. Yes, man.
All good if you want to leave your account details and we can just trade for you.
Yeah, alright man. Just ignore the part where it says demo. Okay? Just ignore that part, man.
For entertainment purposes, that might be a good spin on YouTube.
Not long to
be entertaining filming his reaction in the morning when he looks at his
Mark's still on stream. 24-hour stream. Not long till Bali. Yeah, not long till Bali, yeah. We got the trading retreat in April. What's that, like a month? No, not April, sorry, May. Start of May, we got the trading retreat in Bali, which is going to be amazing. I can't wait for that. Woke up with margin calling. Learned a lot today. Yeah, good. As long as you guys have learned something on the stream, that's all that matters. We haven't been able to catch a trade just yet in this choppy price action. But as long as you guys have learned something today, you maybe learned about the Topstep X platform or futures, then amazing. Hopefully when we jump on same time tomorrow, we'll get some more volume. I'm still sticking around for the hourly close here, because I'm still watching these lows very, very closely. Because anywhere down below here, I'm really looking for this. Like, this is like a 60 tick run up today. And yeah, Aled will be on 1:15 today. And you guys who want to trade New York, nice.
I'll be around there.
Yeah, nice. So if anyone in the community wants to tune in for the New York session, Aled will be live.
And it's still FWA.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, FWA will be live in the New York session.
Yeah. Just the wish version.
It's like a triple bottom on the 15 on GC. Yeah, triple bottom. Yeah, triple bottom, man. Triple bottom. You have a lot. Like you got loads down here as well. So this hourly is going to close in 5 minutes, and look at this. Hourly's just about to completely engulf back bearish. Really gutted we didn't actually grab the highs, because that would have been a bloody fantastic sell. But if you don't grab the highs, you can't take the trade. You got to stick to the plan. Don't see this move down and be like, oh, how could I have caught this? There was no way. Follow the plan. These highs didn't get grabbed, no trade. And watch them closely.
And it's only Monday too. We're gonna have plenty of.
Yeah, 100%, man. Yeah, it's only Monday. It's not even 9 a.m. London time. You guys got plenty of time. You guys to stick around trading. I'll show you once we get this hourly close. I'll show you guys where I'm going to set my alerts, and then for you guys on Zoom, we'll update before New York session, probably based off the 30 or something. Try not to get FOMO. Yeah, there's nothing to really like FOMO into, because there's nothing that there's not even really like moving. Like even if you hear, you got like what 10 ticks down into there. Like, you know, if it was ripping up like this, I'd probably have fear of missing out. But when it's doing this, like it's doing absolutely nothing, I don't even watch it. Might as well come in, didn't it? Yeah. Yeah, same as here. Last Thursday in the London session, we did the exact same thing, and we created this literally perfect double top where we almost had to zoom in and see if it had been grabbed. And then New York session opens, news comes in, boom, completely rinses the whole entire move. You're very unlikely to see a move like that again today, but you know, to re-grab them highs, I'll probably look to execute off the 30 and just leave it. But, well, like I say, once we get this hourly close in like 3 minutes, I'll show you guys where I'm going to set my alerts, so you guys can set the same. Well, you guys on Zoom, I'll just update you when they do go off in Discord anyway, but I'm going to try and plan. It's kind of hard to draw them right now anyway, to be honest. It's difficult.
I don't think I'll take those lows out.
These ones?
Before going up? Yeah.
Nah, I don't think so either. I wouldn't like it to.
Like it's taking those out. I think it's going to, me personally, I think it will continue engulfing that yellow brick road.
Because if you look at the 4 hours, like, fuck, this is like huge to rip down. That's why I wish this had just grabbed these highs so we could start shorting this. Because you had like a 1, 2, 3, 4 hourly equal highs. Wick them out with 1, 2, 3, 4 hourly equal lows. That's why I would love to dip this down, but with that double top, I can't do it. No sir.
Last time.
No sir. Close 10 ticks. You want to risk it? Yeah, 10's good. Hey, if you get 10 in 10 ticks in this range, yeah, take it. Absolutely. Five looks like a little head and shoulders. Let's have a look, man. Let's have a look. Like here. You don't think it will run to 2,100? Yeah, overall, definitely. I have my higher time frame levels down here. Let's have a look at the daily. Yeah, my next target on gold is 2,100. But I think you could see this just dip down and just a little bit more and retrace just probably not like down to here. I'd be very surprised to see it come down that low, but just a little bit more. Today will probably close doji. Maybe tomorrow re-grab the day low, then you could be looking for that push up. But yeah, to see the push into 2,100 looks good to me. M5 the lowest you'll go. Yeah, M5 is the lowest I'll go, man. Yep. I don't have much success with the 1 minute personally. But with gold, I find the lower you go, the more confusing it gets. When you look back at gold on like the hourly time frame, hourly levels, it just respects them so well. You're creating a little double bottom down here. Took 35 ticks on the short from the high, 44 more and I'm out. 35 ticks is amazing. If you got 35, lock it in. Lock it in. Because remember, you're just ranging. These are my downside lists to watch. If you guys are going to these goes down higher. I don't really have any such yet, to be honest. I'm going to have to wait for like another see how explosive close. I'm going to wait for another 30 before taking any sort of trades. Oh, you're going to wick back up. Very, very last end. Yeah, I want to see his drawings. Yeah, we couldn't end it without at least one drawing. This is what we want to see today.
Hello, drum roll.
Oh, that was terrible. This is what we want today. That right there.
In a 5 minute counter. That's what?
Candle engulfs the chart.
These ones are even better.
That's a secret volume candle. I don't remember seeing a course lesson on that.
No, this is what you want to see. This is when you get the gold buys. You want to be looking to take it all the way up into. I'll show you, like all the way up into up here.
Fuck off. I'm into a community near you.
Liquidation week. Alright, that's it for today for London session. I'm going to wrap up there, but let's just see where we can kind of set some alerts, because I don't even really know what I want to see here on gold. It's just so messy. 30 is just closed bearish. You didn't close below the previous low, which is interesting. But this hourly has just closed bearish. So you can see this hourly close one more time. You didn't close below this support, which is nice. So if this next hourly, which I'm just going to wait for, to be honest, I don't think you're going to miss anything. If this next hourly grabs the lows and closes back up this level, I'm going to look to play this. And even to take this back up into like here, you're going to get around like 25. But these are the main little double top areas that I'm watching. But I think you're going to have lows one more time. These are the downside levels, but I'm on any downside levels on gold. You haven't grabbed any highs. So I'm going to set any alerts in the next hour. I personally wait for those, and then there. You guys on Zoom, we're back in the exact same place since when we started the stream. So I would just close the laptop, wait for some clearer price action, and then jump on soon. I believe Alad will be on for the US session as well.
Yeah, okay.
Nice. Cool. Yeah, sweet. Yeah, in 4 hours, Alad will be live for the US session, and I'll update you guys in trade setups once we get probably the next hourly close, and we'll see if we get something else. So, Zoom guys, I'll talk to you guys in like an hour. Enjoy, guys. Talk to you soon.
See you guys. Bye.
See you guys.
Bye.
Mate. Bye. Bye. All right, YouTube fam.
Recordings.
Gonna wrap up there. Unfortunately, gold's just gone sideways today, which is completely expected. You know, it's Monday morning. It's Monday morning. You've had a 600 tick push up yesterday. It's probably gonna make more sense to wait for the New York session, which others in the community will be going live for. I won't be going live for the New York session. I'll post the guys in in Discord. But watch the levels, and hopefully tomorrow when we jump on same time, we'll look to execute some more positions and get some more volume. But hopefully you guys like the insight into the Topstep X platform. If you guys want to check out Topstep, as always, check the link pinned to the top of the chat. And for now, I'll say goodbye, and I'll see you guys same time again tomorrow. Enjoy. Peace.